Welcome to PCIM. We're showing our latest high-voltage GaN solutions specifically designed for industrial applications. Our GaN technology covers 750, 900 volt, 1250 volt, all the way up to 1700 volt GaN. So come visit us and see how our GaN can make your designs smaller, cooler, and more efficient.
This is our Scale EV gate driver product designed for automotive, AEC-Q 100 qualified, ISO 26262. This is a plug-and-play gate driver designed for IGBTs and silicon carbide.
Smart homes and IoT is an area PI is using to showcase our products from 700 watts down to about 20 watts. Very high efficiency, low component count to fit into compact areas.
Bridge 2 is Power Integration's motor drive solution that can support up to 1 horsepower motors and draws less than 10 milliwatts in standby mode.
Here we're showcasing PI Expert Online, the flagship design tool of Power Integrations that lets you create designs for automotive, commercial, industrial applications, and many more.
Welcome to PowiGaN charging booth. Here we are showcasing highly integrated, high voltage, single chip controller for offline power conversion used in charging for cell phone and notebook.
I'm excited to talk about our Scale iFlex family, which is further growing with our latest product. It's ultra compact, ideal for paralleling with excellent current sharing, and with this you get way more power out of a given converter system.
Power Integrations sells a very large number of ICs into industrial applications. Single and multi-output designs with very high efficiency are showcased here at the stand.
Please pass by and see Dynaswitch 5, which has the most efficient standby load consumption.
Here we are at PCIM on the automotive part of the Power Integrations booth, and it's all about planar transformers. They're slimmer, they're cooler, and they're a fantastic technology to implement in your inverters or any other automotive system.
Come see us at Hall 9, booth 426.